Hello, I'm Dr. Kohei Okawa, a dentist practicing in Japan. When a tooth is damaged, many people assume there are only two options: drill it down and cover it with a crown, or leave it alone. But between those two, there is another stage: repairing the tooth with adhesive materials under a microscope while keeping most of the natural structure. Today, I want to show you how that works. A bonded restoration rebuilds the damaged part of a tooth with dental resin applied directly, layer by layer. There is no full coverage crown and no large-scale drilling. Only the damaged part is removed and the missing volume is rebuilt in place, shaped and finished in the same visit. The philosophy is simple: remove what is broken, keep what is healthy. Now, why do we do this under a microscope?
Because the difference between a restoration that lasts and one that fails sits at the edge, the margin, where the material meets your tooth. At high magnification, we can prepare and seal that boundary at a level of detail the naked eye simply cannot see. A cleaner margin means a tighter seal, and a tighter seal means fewer places for new decay to start. Here is why this matters in the long run. Nothing we make is as valuable as your own tooth structure. Every time a tooth is drilled down for a crown, healthy structure is lost, and it never comes back. A precise bonded restoration postpones or avoids that step. It is the same idea as a full mouth redesign applied to a single tooth. Protect what lasts instead of replacing it early. Like every method, this one has a range.
It fits well for small and medium defects, worn edges, and cosmetic corrections of shape or color. When the damage is large or the tooth carries very heavy bite force, a ceramic restoration or crown may serve you better. Which side your tooth falls on is decided by examination, not by preference. Now, cost and risks, honestly. Bonded restorations at our clinic are private care, not covered by Japanese public insurance. The fee is 55,000 to 120,000 yen per tooth, including tax, depending on the size and the materials used. The limitations are real. Resin can discolor over the years. Under very heavy force, it can chip. And the restoration needs regular checkups to stay in good condition. We explain all of this before treatment begins. So, before a tooth is drilled down for a crown, it is worth asking one question: can this be rebuilt instead of covered?
The answer depends on your tooth, and it starts with an examination under the microscope. Treatment is provided at Restriux Dentaria in Gunma, Japan. Thank you for watching. This voice was generated with AI, supervised by me.